Hey guys, TastyNerdCakes here. My hair is out of control. Out of control! Yeah, I'm pretty bored. I haven't really done anything. So, instead, I'm just gonna talk about nerdy stuff. Like, what should I talk about? Let's talk about Supernatural. Interesting show. I love Castillo. He is pretty amazing. Yeah, everybody hates Dick. Although his name does create some pretty awesome quotes, which Tumblr has definitely pointed out multiple times. Bobby. I was very mad that Bobby died. Because Bobby was... he was the best. Seriously, this is a pretty boring vlog entry, I know, I'm sorry. Ooh, I wanted to show you guys this. Just give it a second. Where is it? Where is it? Are you my mummy? Are you my mummy? 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 Are you my mummy? Isn't that awesome? Yeah, I discovered that and I was pretty happy with life. So yeah. Seriously, I need some ideas for videos, so if you have any awesome ideas, like specifics, like if you want me to talk about nerdy stuff, tell me what certain show, ask me questions about it. Just be interactive, because I love you guys. Without the two of you that subscribe to me, I wouldn't be doing this anymore. And I plan on continuing to do it, even if it's just one of you. So, yeah. Seriously, watch my videos and ask questions, be interactive, because I'm new at this and I need suggestions. And by the way, I am going to get a new microphone and camera at some point in time. It's just I don't have a job at the moment, so I kind of have to get that first. Hopefully soon after that happens, I can make a video that will go viral and then everyone will subscribe and then I won't have to work anymore because I'll be ripped off YouTube. Pretty nice. So yeah. I will update again probably Tuesday. Just don't have anything else to talk about now. And hopefully by Tuesday I will. Especially if you comment. So yeah, comment, subscribe. Is your curiosity satisfied? See ya.